What's up guys, welcome back to Become Calisthenics. Today I'm going to be showing you three tricep workouts that you can do at home. This requires no weights, no bands, just your body weight. So these are going to be ranging from beginner to intermediate, depending on your level, but anyone can do it. So if you're ready to learn these three tricep workouts, please leave a like and subscribe. I like to get into it. So the first workout we're going to be doing is a push-up variation known as diamond push-ups. These really work your triceps as well as your chest, so it's a great workout to do to target two muscle groups. So it's very simple. You just want to go into a diamond shaped position with your hands, and then just press back up and press back down, and go for about 6 to 10 depending on your level. So that's the first tricep workout. Like you saw, it requires no weights, no bands, just your body weight. But if you do have bands, you can make the workout a little harder by putting the band around your back and doing it that way to give you more resistance. Or you can do them elevated, same thing, to work it more, make it a harder progression. All right, so the second tricep workout that we're going to be doing is called, it's one of my favorites, it's called tricep extensions. Now it's the same thing if you had like a barbell and you were doing tricep extensions like that, but instead you're doing it on the ground. So not a lot of people know about this workout. They might not have seen this workout before, but it's a really great tricep workout because it targets the chest mainly. So what you want to do is go into a forearm position, forearm like plank position, and then you just want to raise with your forearm and triceps. You want to go for about 6 to 10 reps depending on your level. Also, the further your arms out to your body, so if you were all the way up here, it might be a harder progression. And if it was closer to your body, like all the way back here, same thing, it's harder. So I like to have them in the middle. So like my head is kind of like in the middle between my my arm and my elbow, and just raise up. If you're having trouble, what you can do is instead of pressing back up, just go down with it and then come back up and do it that way until you're more comfortable pressing back up with the movement. All right, so the last calisthenic tricep workout is dips on a chair. So if anyone has a chair or any elevated surface, all you have to do is just get into a dip position. And mainly when you're going down, mainly focus on your triceps the whole time. So slow and controlled. You don't want to go fast with it. You're not really going to gain anything. Just focus on the triceps and go slow and come back up. Same thing. And you want to go for about 6 to 10 reps. Like I said, mainly focus on your triceps. Make sure you're squeezing those triceps with each rep. And if you also want to challenge yourself, when you're going down, you might want to be able to hold for like 2 to 3 seconds before you go back up to really focus and get those triceps a good tension. So when you're going back up or down, just hold maybe for about 2 to 3 seconds and then come back up. So those are some calisthenic tricep workouts that you can do at home. There's 3 of them. Like I said, you can range them from your beginner to intermediate, but all levels can do them. And make sure you do 3 sets of each workout. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like these. Thank you.